Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickGuard for Trading. As with every industry, there are a few major firms who control a significant amount of the Forex market. Many businesses have gotten more competitive with their bids as a result of the global epidemic, while a number of lesser firms have abandoned the market. Businesses can now take advantage of new opportunities created by these events. You can learn how to effectively advertise in the Forex market with the help of an industry expert and the proper advertising tactics. ClickGuard in Trading. For Forex trading, the PC is one of the most powerful platforms. Investing in FX PPC ads may be a cost-effective strategy to get constant traffic, engagement, and conversions if done correctly. Brokers frequently prefer to collaborate with an agency partner in order to maximize advertising opportunities and avoid costly errors. ClickGuard's unique approach and highly customizable technology creates a multitude of benefits for Google Ads clients. Preventing click fraud on Google Ads is just one piece of the puzzle. Step 1. Sign up. Just your good old sign-up process. It shouldn't take more than 2 minutes. Step 2. Connect Google Ads. No technical expertise needed. Just follow the setup wizard. Step 3. Boost ROI. ClickGuard analyses every ad click to identify and block fraudulent clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.